How's it going, everybody? James with Online Car Show. Well, got another car show video for y'all today. It's that time of year again in Houston. Weather's starting to cool down a little bit, and you can get out and enjoy the shows and stuff. This is a really good show put on by Spacecity Corvette Club called Good Gears or Good Grub and Gears. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get the video rolling. Well, as I mentioned, this is put on by Spacecity Corvettes. They're a local Corvette club here in Houston. They put on really good events. It's an older club I've known for years through my Corvette dealings and so forth. But went out there with another member from United Muscle Car family. He's HUUULK_88. That's Hulk with 3 U's _88. On Instagram, you can go follow him. He's got a 392 TA that's just badass is all I can say about it. The charity for this event was EquiSearch, and I wasn't really familiar with them, but through this event I was able to get some information about them. EquiSearch, spelled EQUU search charity that'll go out if you have a missing person or something like that. They'll assist in helping to find that person, getting the information out there for everybody to see. So it's a really good charity that was backed by this car show, and that's one of the coolest things with a lot of these shows is you're supporting a cause greater than the cars and all that while you're out there enjoying the cars and being an enthusiast. So it was a win-win situation. Hulk went out there. I think this was his second car show ever. He went to Pep Boys car show with me last weekend. So this is a really good show. As you'll see, they just had some badass cars. I mean, there were 2 Chevelle big blocks there, a Nova with a big block, a Camaro, old first-gen Camaro with a big block that was there, 57 Chevy that was just insanely done. So it was a really cool show. one cool thing I want to put in here at the end is that both me and Hulk 88 from United Muscle Car were awarded trophies at the end of this, which is very cool. So that's 2 weeks in a row. I've been out with United Muscle Car family, and at least 2 of us have taken trophies. So the last car show we had 3 trophies, and this one we've had 2. So it's just back to back. And I mean, I've been to 20 shows before this, haven't got a single trophy, and now it's just all of a sudden it's back to back. So we're having a really good time with the club. And if you don't know anything about United Muscle Car family, I challenge you to go out, check them out on Facebook. They've got a large following there, and also on Instagram. It's United Muscle Car family, and we're growing exponentially here in Houston. This weekend here coming up, there's a car show that's going to be at the Current Christian Church in Katy. It's sponsored by West Houston Muscle, so it's going to be a really kick-ass show. Anything sponsored by those guys is just over the top good, and there'll be some really good rides out there to check out. If you want to cruise into the show with us, there's a cruise party, if you will, with United Muscle Car family and another local smaller club that's going to be joining us with the cruise. So there's going to be 2 car clubs cruising into the show. If you want to be a part of that, go follow me on Instagram or send me a message below, and we'll find a way to connect. But it's going to be a great weekend here coming up. I'll have some more footage from that show. And also, I've got the 1 year, those that have been paying attention, I've won a full year of air fresheners for my cars, and from Fresh Motor Company. And I've gotten to test some of their products before, and actually bought one of them for the Camaro, a V8 shaped air freshener, and it just smells like Dracar. It's very good smelling. And so my next video here, I'm going to be busting these open and going through them. And I've also got some more news from Fast Cars Matter. So there's a lot of exciting stuff going on with the channel. I've also got a huge surprise coming from the car, which is in the form of a theme for the car and some airbrushing I'm getting done. I don't want to reveal that. A lot of you already know what the theme is that I'm going with, but those that don't, it's going to be an exciting video coming up. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the like button below. It helps support my channel. And I hope you all have a wonderful week. Thank you.